Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. So let's start with the 9. I see here a 9 in this row, a 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 9 is here or there, but I see here already a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in this column, the only two places for the 9 is here or there, but I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only two places for the 9 is here or there, but I see here already a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only three places for a 9 is here, here or there, but I see here a 9, so no 9 there. I see there a 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then an 8 in this row, an 8 in that row. So in the row above, the only two places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in this column, the only two places for the 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 4 is here or there. But I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 is here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for 4 is here or there. But I see here already a 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 4 is here or there. But I see here already a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. 1 box remains for the 1 should be this one. Then 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. I see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 1 and 2. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then then 8 1. Yes, 3 numbers are missing in the second row. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 5, and 6. We have a 1 here in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here or there. The same with the 5. I see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here or there. 1 digit left. That is the digit number 6. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 5, and 8. I see here 2 and 5 in this column. So no 2 and 5 in this box. 1 digit left. It's number 8. Here we have a pair 2 and 5, 2 and 5. I see here we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Then 1 digit left for the third row for the number 7. Then 2 digit left for this column. The numbers are 1 and 7. I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 digit, no. Yes, a 1 in the last column, a 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for a 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 digit left for this column for the numbers 5 and 3, I believe. Yeah, 5 and 3. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. I see here we have a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be here. 1 digit left for this row for the number 6. Then 2 numbers left for this row for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 digit left for the first column for the number 5, I believe, yes, and 1 digit left for this big square for the number 1. Then 2 digit left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 5. I see here we have a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 5. I see now we have a 5, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then two numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7 are missing in the middle row. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in this column the only place for the 7 should be here. 1 digit left in the in this column for the number 4, we have 6, I believe. 6 is missing here, yes. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we finish this in 11 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you want or if you like. Otherwise download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later on with the killer Sudoku. Thank you for now, and bye bye.